Hi Hyderabad, Harsh this side. I'm the first FOF community advocate here at Friends of Figma Hyderabad. Hyderabad Friends of Figma chapter started in 2021 and it was peak COVID. And me and Pranava started the first chapter. And after 10 days, we had our first online event. So this is how it started. We had around, I think, 20-25 folks in that event, but eventually we have a large number. I think it's the community which made me stay longer, and it's our friends. That's why the name is Friends of Figma. What is the potential? I see a lot of potential because Hyderabad is growing from a design terms. A lot of new designers are coming, a lot of old designers also. They are making some good design. So that's the potential I see.
So after COVID, we wanted to have a lot of offline events rather than the online. So the new thing was Prashant got introduced as a co-lead for this chapter, and Pranav has to leave. So we wanted to focus much more on a offline event, but because of COVID, we started as our first event. Me and Prashant had a first event as an online event. My one vision will be here for the audience to grow. I don't want people should always come and ask me, I want to learn Figma. I want all the vertical of design people to join. Not in fact designers, developers also, product managers also, maybe professors also. All kind of people, we are welcome for everyone, and it will always be a free event from our side. That is I wanted from our audience.
I think it's great to see everyone on this Saturday morning, and a lot of folks are joined online too. And I see a lot of common faces. I see Ujjwal who is speaking at the back. Yeah. So hi everyone. Thanks for joining in. My name is Harsh. Currently, I'm working with Omnisa as a product designer level 3. Uh, Before I start, uh, I wanted to tell you how this idea of uh, town hall came up. It was just a random conversation. We just wanted to create an ecosystem where we wanted to speak less, but we wanted to listen more. So that's the reason we thought of let's do a town hall and let's invite everyone over here and let's talk more from your side, not from us side, which will give us a lot of clarity what people are expecting from Friends of Figma Hyderabad. But yeah, but we have, though we want to listen you guys, but we have a little bit to present too. So I wanted to give this platform to learn much more about Friends of Figma. Before going through the presentation, I think my video covered everything. What when we started, what kind of event that we did, and when we started, it was majorly all the online events. We were not very focused that when it's going to be much more of a offline event. We just wanted to bring uh, the design events with a greater focus, much more on learning and more engagement. But in 2022, around Prashant joined with a focused mindset also that hey, let's do something different. We don't want to be a conventional event. We have seen such a great designers over here in Hyderabad with a good talent and great work happening around here in Hyderabad. What we see right now in around 2025 and hopefully in 2026 also. Uh, but yeah, I think Prashant mentioned that, but there is no community engagement happening apart from tech. No design engagement was happening. So we did. So this is the photograph of our first config event, which we did as an offline event, and this was our first offline event, which gave us some idea around how design culture is over here in Hyderabad and what community need is. And you might be seeing a lot of common folks over here too. In 2024, we changed our thought and we thought of let's do something different. We wanted to create something vertical. We don't wanted to fix with hey, let's do only a design event. We invited leaders from engineering, from product management, uh, from education also, so that to tell Hyderabad that we are not just a design community, but we are open for everyone. And this is the last config that we had, which was both enjoyable and it was challenging for us also because we were doing beyond our scale with a larger number. I think we got 1,000 plus of registration also, and this time we had a full in-house team also, which not only organized the event but they created the experience around it, and we got a very good response out of this event which happened in T Hub. And I would like to mention that we at this event we launched our AGPT. Amit, who is sitting, I think, at the front over here. So that was our officially AGPT launched, and I think this slide. I think people might be asking us what's when the Config 26 is happening and what are the initiatives. So probably moving ahead in other session, Prashant and Mank will cover everything. And apart from that, I just wanted to conclude my talk. Like I wanted to thank all the team who helped us deriving this town hall experience.